Hi guys, this is me Sania and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry for not being active since the last week because I wasn't really keeping well and I'm still not well. You can make out from my voice, but yet I am here only for you guys because I think I should have posted. So today's video is really impromptu. I think it's around 1 a.m. and you know how midnight cravings can be at times. So I thought, why not I'd make some creativity inside the kitchen, and with me, please come, are my two siblings who are going to actually help me do that. So what are we making today?
Donuts.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Let's see how it turns out. Okay, so now we are in the kitchen and we need to make the dough for the donut. So first of all we need flour and I need a scissor to cut this. Scissor cut. I don't really know how to knead the dough, but let's see. Now we're gonna take powdered sugar. What is this? Powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar.
What? Okay. Who's getting me baking powder? Arey? Thank you. So we have to add some baking powder to it also. Everything is packed. I'm putting everything randomly. I don't have any idea about the proportions, but let's see how it goes. Baking soda. Thank you, Myra.
Welcome.
Myra and Mihan are extremely excited
Yes.
for the donuts.
Yes.
You guys wanted to have donuts, right?
Yes.
Now let's see, is it even worth all the minutes that we are doing? So this is baking soda. What is the actual difference between baking powder and baking soda? Does anybody know about that? If you guys know, then please write in the comment section below. Because sometimes, you know, while baking a cake, I read that you can use baking powder instead of baking soda as well. So, I don't know. Now we have to knead this, and this is my first time that I'm going to do this. Let's see with a spoon if we can. The milk, we're gonna add milk. तो आई थिंक थोड़ा थोड़ा करके डालते हैं इसमें. And now the next step is, when you don't really know how to knead a dough, give it to somebody who knows it and let them do it for you. Okay, so the yes baby,
डोनट कब बनेगा? डोनट कब बनेगा?
वही बता रही हूँ अभी.
डोनट कब बनेगा?
So the dough is ready, and एक चीज जो मैंने नहीं बताई, we also used vanilla essence and butter and whatever, yeah, butter and vanilla essence. And now I think we have to let this to ferment for 30 to 45 minutes. I guess that's how fermentation happens. I can't wait. Kitchen already बहुत गंदा हो चुका है. अभी तो आधा भी नहीं बना है. But see, let's see. I'm pretty excited. This is my first time. So, are you guys excited?
Yes.
yeah, you can make that out with the hype. So
A few moments later.
एंड ये सब मैंने कर लिया था. एक पूरा, सॉरी फॉर द नॉइज, एक पूरा वीडियो भी बनाया था, बट आई गेव इट टू माई मदर एंड शी डिड नॉट एक्चुअली रिकॉर्ड इट. आई केप्ट डूइंग एवरीथिंग. आई इवन फ्राइड वन डोनट, बट I got to know that the video never came out only. So now we have my mommy to the rescue. Now again I'm gonna do the same process. So I'm gonna take little portion of the dough and I'm gonna you can use any glass like this to make the cutout. And to make the inner cutout, we will use this kadakkan, ketchup kadakkan. Okay, so here we have one attempt again, and now we're gonna be putting this in the oil, and that is the donut, deep frying. Guys, please like and subscribe as well. आप लोग आते हो, व्यूज देते हो, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कोई भी नहीं करता है. प्लीज यार, व्हाट इज दिस बिहेवियर? I need some likes and subscribers also. Go if you haven't done it yet. अभी वीडियो देखते देखते जब तक ये डोनट बन रहा है, वो रेड वाला सब्सक्राइब लिखा है जहाँ पे, दबाओ उसको. और लाइक जो थम्स अप ऐसे होता है उसको भी दबाओ प्लीज. नाउ दिस विल जस्ट फ्लिप इट. ये थोड़ा टूटा टूटा सा है क्योंकि आटा को बेला नहीं हमने अच्छे से. You have to let it cook until it turns golden brown is what I've heard. ये कुछ भी जो भी मैं बोल रही हूँ वो मैं अपने दिमाग से नहीं बोल रही हूँ, सब मैंने पढ़ा है इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ. I am no cook, I don't know anything. Yeah. Okay, so it's done. थोड़ा शेप अजीब है बट ठीक है, घर पे ऐसे ही बनता है. So here is my first donut. And ऐसे ही अभी हम पूरे आटे के साथ करेंगे. अभी वो मैं पूरा नहीं दिखाऊंगी, otherwise you guys will get really bored. The donuts are ready and I am so happy that the donuts are ready, and just look at them, how they've turned out to be. Sorry. Yeah, so now we're gonna decorate them. So we have a few stuff for decoration. That is chocolate. Yeah, everything is chocolate. That is Nutella. Thanks, Myra. This is Hershey's, and that is Kit Kat chopped, and this is powdered sugar. So let's go for it.
Jackal.
Happy?
Yes.
Excited? Are you going to
Yes.
decorate your own donuts?
Yes.
Both of you will decorate your own donuts?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do it.
Yes.
This donut, I will dip it in this. Wow, just look at this. And we will sprinkle some powdered sugar on it so that it looks pretty also. Wow.
Yes.
Is it nice,
Yes.
Myra?
Yes, I like it. I want to eat it.
Okay, now everybody will have to make their own donuts. One
Okay.
more I will make. Wait, one more pattern I will
Okay.
make. Let me
First
make
I-
one more pattern. Wait, one more pattern then you guys
I
can
want
make.
to eat this.
Wait. End में अभी नहीं खाएंगे. So
तो
for
बना तो
this
दे
we're
इसे.
going to use Hershey's का syrup.
Chocolate.
None of these brands are हमारे वो. But yeah. We're gonna drizzle chocolate on this like that.
Wow.
And now we're gonna just randomly put some Kit Kat on it.
The Kit Kat is falling.
No, it will not fall. You will pick it up now.
Okay.
Pick it up and eat it then.
Okay. Give me some.
Wait. Ah. Yeah, it is actually falling.
Yes.
Okay, so the second donut is also ready, and now we will make some more donuts. So,
When I get
guys,
chocolate.
come on, get to work.
I want the chocolate.
चलो अभी बनाओ अपने एक एक करके. First Nihan will dip it. Yeah, very good. अब वहाँ रख दो. Now Myra's chance. Very good. Now keep it there. Now sprinkle some sugar on that. Nihan, you also sprinkle. Wow! And presenting to you donuts. So this is. ये दोनों बताएंगे अब. Come on, taste. Pick fast.
It's so yummy.
It's yummy. It tastes like bahar ka.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
it does. Thankfully. So I'll also taste one. This is actually not bad. You should definitely try this at home. And this is the best way to satisfy your midnight hunger pangs. So go for it, guys. If you like this video, please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video.
Sonu,
Yeah.
this cupcake, this donut is so yummy.
It's very yummy.